Today, we will have the opportunity to continue practicing sharing the Know God Personally booklet.
To continue with this session, you will need the following: Know God Personally booklet or a copy on your gadget, a Bible, a partner. Be aware that the wording and some verses used in God Tools may be different from the booklet used in this demonstration. Click on these links if you want to download a Bible, download the Know God Personally material, or buy booklets similar to the one used in this session. Be reminded you need a partner to continue this session.
When we share our faith with others, we receive different responses. In this session, our trainer, Alex, will show us how to handle these different responses. As you use the Know God Personally booklet, there are sections where you can receive different responses to questions you ask. The first section is in the last part of Principle 4 in the Know God Personally booklet. There are two questions below the two circle diagrams. The first question says, which circle best represents your life? We will learn how to handle the different responses to this question. The possible responses to which circle best represents your life are left circle, not sure or in between, right circle. Previously, you learned how to handle the left circle response. If you want to review how to handle this response, follow the instructions on your screen. Another possible response is not sure or in between. You handle these responses the same way. Let's observe Alex as he shares Christ with someone who gives him the not sure response. Alex has been going through the Know God Personally booklet with June. He is now explaining the circles in Principle 4. Follow along in your booklet or gadget.
These two circles represent two kinds of lives. Self-directed life. Self is on the throne. Christ is outside the life. Interests are directed by self, often resulting in discord and frustration. Christ-directed life. Christ is in the life and on the throne. Self is yielding to Christ. Interests are directed by Christ, resulting in harmony with God's plan. Which circle best represents your life?
In between.
Which circle would you like to have represent your life?
The right circle.
The following explains how you can invite Jesus Christ into your life.
Let's review. When Alex asked June which circle best represents your life and June was not sure, Alex treated the response as if June said he is in the left circle. He asked the second question,
which circle would you like to have represent your life?
When June answered the right circle, Alex continued reading the booklet.
The right circle.
The following explains how you can invite Jesus Christ into your life.
Have a 2x2 practice with your partner. You will play the role of a Christian sharing his faith. Your partner will play the role of an unbeliever who is not sure which circle best represents his life. Let's pretend that you have been going through the Know God Personally booklet with your partner. You have just finished explaining the two circles in Principle 4. Practice handling the not sure or in between response. Begin with which circle best represents your life. Your partner responds with not sure. Ask the second question. Which circle would you like to have represent your life? Your partner responds with the right circle. Continue reading to the end of the page. Your partner gives you feedback. Take 1 minute to do this practice. Be sure to click pause while you do 2x2 practice. Now switch roles. Your partner will play the role of a Christian sharing his faith. You will play the role of an unbeliever who is not sure which circle best represents his life. Follow the instructions on your screen. Take 1 minute to do this practice. And be sure to click pause while you do 2x2 practice.